Good day, my dear friends. Today is the second day of our Simbang Gabi. And our gospel for today speaks about the genealogy of Jesus, the family tree of Jesus. And it teaches us that God enters human history not through perfect people, but to real lives marked by weaknesses, struggles, and redemption. The family line of Jesus includes sinners, failures, outsiders, and broken stories. Yet none of this has stopped God's saving plan. This reminds us that while we cannot change our pasts, we are not prisoners of it. But friends, the gospel makes it clear that God does not define us by what we wear, but by what we choose to become with His grace. Our past may explain us, but it does not excuse us nor control our future. In God, there is always a new beginning. We are not shaped by our pasts. And today's gospel challenges us to take responsibility for the present moment. If someone was like unfaithful before, corrupt before, addicted before, or trapped in a sinful patterns, that was before. But today is not before. Who we are today is already a choice. And who we become tomorrow begins with the decisions we make now. My dear friends, as what I've told you, we are not shaped by our past mistakes, but by our daily commitments to change, commitment to repent, and commitment to grow. God's grace gives us the ability and potentials to make our future better than yesterday. And holiness is not about having a clean history, but it's all about a willing heart that chooses what is right today and be a better person. Friends, be a better person today, better than yesterday. And finally, the genealogy of Jesus reminds us that life is about legacy. Its name mattered because its life contributed something good or something bad to the generations that followed. We are called not merely to live long, but to live well. Friends, leaving behind a legacy of faith, a legacy of integrity and love and service, and we make a difference by choosing goodness, by fulfilling our God-given potentials and ability, by allowing our lives to bless others. Mga kababayan, mga kapwa ko Filipino, huwag po tayong mag-iwan ng mga alaalang hindi maganda. Let us leave a legacy that honors God and gives hope to those who come after us. Because the goal of life is not to live long, but to live well. Be a better person today, better than yesterday. See you again tomorrow.